Have you ever found yourself in the middle of a rush, scrambling to find a server to take an order? Or maybe you've needed to adjust your staffing levels on the fly due to unexpected callouts. These scenarios can be stressful and time-consuming, but they don't have to be. In today's video, we're going to dive into TouchBistro and explore how to add a server to your system, ensuring a smooth and efficient operation. TouchBistro is a powerful restaurant management system that simplifies various aspects of running a restaurant, from taking orders to managing inventory. One of its key features is the ability to easily manage your staff, including adding, editing, and removing servers as needed. By understanding how to add a server, you can maintain optimal staffing levels, improve customer service, and ultimately enhance your restaurant's overall performance. Step-by-step guide. Access the TouchBistro app. The first step is to log into your TouchBistro app on your iPad or other compatible device. Make sure you have the latest version installed for optimal functionality. Navigate to the Staff section. Once logged in, look for the Staff section in your main menu. This is where you'll find options to manage your team. Select Add Staff. Click on the Add Staff button, which should be located somewhere within the Staff section. This will bring up a form where you can enter the necessary information about the new server. Enter server information. Fill in the required fields, including first name, the server's first name, last name, the server's last name, employee ID, a unique identifier for the server, username, a username that the server will use to log in to TouchBistro, password, a secure password for the server's account, permissions. Determine the level of access the server will have within the system. This might include options like cashier, manager, or admin. Additional information. Depending on your TouchBistro setup, you may also need to provide additional details such as email address for communication and notifications, phone number for contact purposes, hourly rate, if applicable, availability to indicate when the server is scheduled to work. Save and activate. Once you've entered all the necessary information, review it carefully to ensure accuracy. Then, click the Save or Add button to finalize the process. The new server will now be added to your TouchBistro system. Tips and best practices. Create strong passwords. Encourage servers to use strong, unique passwords to protect their accounts and prevent unauthorized access. Regularly review permissions. Periodically review the permissions assigned to your servers to ensure they have the appropriate level of access for their roles. Train servers on TouchBistro. Provide adequate training to new servers so they can effectively use TouchBistro and understand its features. Monitor activity. Keep an eye on server activity to identify any issues or inconsistencies. Stay updated. Make sure you're using the latest version of TouchBistro to benefit from new features and improvements. Adding a server to TouchBistro is a straightforward process that can help you streamline your restaurant operations and provide exceptional customer service. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can efficiently manage your staff and ensure a smooth workflow. Remember to create strong passwords, train your servers, and monitor activity to maintain a secure and efficient system. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy TouchBistro and